We just got in this Blackstone Pizza Oven slash air fryer. Let's unbox it together and see how it is. All right, let's open this up and see what we got inside. This is a 14-inch E-Series pizza oven air fryer combo. Instructions, who needs those? Turntable. Wicka. More paper. I'm gonna have to put it on its side to get it out, or just rip it. It's packed in nice good, that's for sure. Ryder, you can't help. What do we have, Ryder? Huh? What do we have? I hope it works good because I just destroyed the box completely. Always more foam. And this is the whole unit. I'm gonna put it on the counter. All right, let's open this up. First glance, oh man, it looks beautiful. Nice touch screen right here. Let's open this bad boy up. What's in here? This is great. That goes like that. So one of the reasons why I wanted to get this is because, first of all, our air fryer went out, so I was looking for a new one. And this is the grate. Blackstone products are always been a hit in our house with the quality. We're always busy with sports and kids coming and going. So we just wanted something that we could just pop in, like a frozen pizza or some nuggets or something, and get it done real quick. It looks like real simple to use. I love the clean look that it has. Plop the turntable in. And then like that, and then you could put it like that for your fries. Let's get the cord. Has a 3-prong outlet that it goes into. So you could do frozen pizza, fresh pizza. I have this new pizza dough recipe that I want to do. I'm gonna throw it in here. You could do bake, air fry. It has a light. The timer, the temperature, the overall look. I am super happy with this so far. I cannot wait to cook on this. I think that my first is gonna be what? I think for my first cook on this, I think I wanna make loaded hash browns. But overall, I am loving it so far. It's a very nice look. Let's see how it actually works. And this is what it looks like all set up. As you can see, it fits right under our cabinets. It's a little bit more wider than I wanted, but I love how you could just like plop it under cabinet and it fits nice and perfect. So that it's easy access. Just throw the stuff in there and you're good.